spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine. We either destroy this city
worse than those
or
fucking
risk
bugs.
losing the entire planet.
All squads!
Chief, make your way to the crash site.
Multiple contacts. Unknown hostiles. There! Over there! Surrounded, Sergeant!
Dude, I was just here, man. They're reusing assets already?
Chief, I can't trust you. It's not safe.
Oh my god, shut up, you schizophrenic bitch. Retards guns, man.
The LT, the sergeant, they were all infected.
Nobody gives a fuck, bro. Nobody gives a fuck.
Hail humans and take heed. This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent.
This is where that fucking speedrun trick is.
Clear this sector, while we deal with the flood.
My brothers, I fear you.
very close. Holy shit, man. Fuck you. What, son? Where do I shoot these freaks? Should be good to go now. Arbiter's fucking shit up, dude. Fuck, bro. Haha. There you go. You're pretty mad. That was unnecessary.
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
Grave mine.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana.
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function, to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
I don't remember the next mission.
Live, Oracle. Then if you say.
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief,
Success!
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything.
What?
It's not safe. The Grave Mind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough. Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A Flood army. A grave man has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the Flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single Flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a Flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should
They
do,
fixed her cancel
Commander,
pill.
is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
Sexual
No.
harassment, buddy.
If your construct is wrong, then the Flood has already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth
The beast.
is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Well, this is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
This guy's head is very weirdly shaped, man.